Yeah, hello guys. I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So if you're just joining us for the first time, I really do welcome you guys. And I'm here to tell you are in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to get your Capcut in your system. All right. So without wasting much time, all you have to do is to go into your browser. And here you're in your browser, all you have to type is capcut.com and you go into the site. So from here you're gonna see get started for free or download for Windows. So if you download the software on your Windows, from here they're going to tell you these are what you can do with the software. You can text to speech, effects and filter, trending music, sound effects. You can also transcribe your videos, text overlays, auto subtitles. So this is one of the features if you're trying to download it on your system. It has less features compared to the software on your mobile phone. So there is something you can also do. You can also create a design online. You have to go here, and once you click here, they're going to take you to this page and they're going to ask you what do you want to do. Just going to click on blank, okay, and click create. So from here all you can do is to upload your files and make use of the of this online. But what you have to know is that whatever document you put here, it has to upload to the cloud before you can be able to use it. Also, okay, that's for the online, but that's not the reason for this video. I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your Windows. So all you just have to do is to click on your download, and once you click on download, it's going to take you all the way here and you can save it. Well, I'm not going to save this because I already have it already on my system. So I'm just gonna cancel this and I'm just gonna open it from my system. So now I'm just gonna open it from my system and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. Okay, now we have Capcut here. So you're gonna click on start creating, and once you click it, it's gonna open. Now you can see. So from here you can just import your files, easily import your files, and you can start creating. It doesn't have to upload to the cloud. You just start creating your work. So that's how easy it is. What you have to know is that it has less features compared to your mobile application. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, you can just give the video a like, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate that. Okay guys, see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.